Are you planning an estate sale? It's much easier said than done, but that's precisely where Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales can assist. At Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales, we're experts in planning and hosting estate sales and tag sales throughout New York. When you turn to the team at Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales, you'll enjoy a great turnout at your sale thanks to our skilled marketing team. We'll publicize your upcoming tag or estate sale in print media, the web, and social media. Unlike those other estate sale firms, Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales enjoys a massive social media following. Thanks to our marketing prowess, it's not uncommon for 400 to 500 attendees to turn out for an event. And the best part? There are no fees for event setup or marketing. Plus, when you work with Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales, you'll enjoy access to free expert appraisals. Contact Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales today to learn more about scheduling your estate sale. Call 917-207-0619. That's 917-207-0619. And don't forget to bookmark us at LuckyRabbitEstateSales.com. That's www.LuckyRabbitEstateSales.com. Lucky Rabbit Estate Sales. We're New York's premier estate sale service.